Algorand value equivalent to $0.2033 a coin. The present exchanged cost range. $0.1957, $0.2036. The earlier day close. $0.1994. The change was plus 0.0039, plus 1.96%. Converse rate. United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. The normal for the month 23 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 24 cents, change for April 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at $0.24. Excessive cost 0.27, while low cost 0.23. The normal for the month 25 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 25 cents, change for May 4.2%. Algorand figure for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.25. Excessive cost 0.30, while low cost 0.25. The normal for the month 27 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 28 cents, change for June 12.0%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at $0.28. Exorbitant cost 0.31, while low cost 0.27. The normal Algorand figure for August 2024. Before all else cost at $0.29. Excessive cost 0.32, while low cost 0.28. The normal for the month 30 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 30 cents, change for August 3.4%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at $0.30. Excessive cost 0.33, while low cost 0.29. The normal for the month 31 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 31 cents, change for September 3.3%. Algorand gauge for October 2024. To start with cost at $0.31. Exorbitant cost 0.34, while low cost 0.30. The normal for the month 32 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 32 cents, change for October 3.2%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place cost at $0.32. Exorbitant cost 0.35, while low cost 0.31. The normal for the month 33 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 33 cents, change for November 3.1%. Algorand conjecture for December 2024. Before all else cost at $0.33. Excessive cost 0.36, while low cost 0.32. The normal for the month 34 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 34 cents, change for December 3.0%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.34. Exorbitant cost 0.36, while low cost 0.32. The normal for the month 34 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 34 cents, change for January 0.0%. Algorand conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at $0.34. Excessive cost 0.42, while low cost 0.34. The normal for the month 37 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 39 cents, change for February 14.7%. Algorand cost expectation for WALK 2025. Initially cost at $0.39. Excessive cost 0.44, while low cost 0.38. The normal for the month 41 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 41 cents, change for spring 5.1%. Algorand gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at $0.41. Exorbitant cost 0.46, while low cost 0.40. The normal for the month 43 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 43 cents, change for April 4.9%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at $0.43. Excessive cost 0.47, while low cost 0.41. The normal for the month 44 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 44 cents, change for May 2.3%. Algorand estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.44. Exorbitant cost 0.55, while low cost 0.44. The normal for the month 49 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 51 cents, change for June 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at $0.51. Excessive cost 0.51, while low cost 0.41. The normal for the month 47 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 44 cents, change for July 13.7%. Algorand figure for August 2025. Before all else cost at $0.44. Excessive cost 0.50, while low cost 0.44. The normal for the month 46 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 47 cents, change for August 6.8%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.47. Exorbitant cost 0.47, while low cost 0.36. The normal for the month 42 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 39 cents, change for September 17.0%. Algorand gauge for October 2025. To start with cost at $0.39. Exorbitant cost 0.39, while low cost 0.31. The normal for the month 36 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 33 cents, change for October 15.4%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $0.33. Excessive cost 0.33, while low cost 0.26. The normal for the month 30 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 28 cents, change for November 15.2%. Algorand conjecture for December 2025. Before all else cost at $0.28. Excessive cost 0.32, while low cost 0.28. The normal for the month 30 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 30 cents, change for December 7.1%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.30. Exorbitant cost 0.30, while low cost 0.26. The normal for the month 29 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 28 cents, change for January 6.7%. Algorand gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at $0.28. Exorbitant cost 0.28, while low cost 0.22. The normal for the month 26 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 24. Algorand conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at $0.22. Excessive cost 0.24, while low cost 0.20. The normal for the month 22 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 22 cents, change for April's.